Want to track someone's location with their phone number in Google Maps? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it on iPhone or Android. First, open the Google Maps app. At the top right, tap your profile picture to open the menu. From there, tap Location Sharing. Tap Share Location or New Share. You'll see the option to share your real-time location. Choose how long you want to share for, 1 hour, 3 hours, or until you turn this off. Next, pick who to share with. You can select a contact or enter a phone number. Google will send a message to that number so the person can view your location in Google Maps. Remember, you can only see someone's location if they choose to share it with you. They must go through the same steps and share their location with your account or phone number. Once someone shares their location with you, open Location Sharing and tap their name to see their live location on the map. You can stop sharing at any time from the same menu. Quick privacy note. This requires consent. You cannot track a phone number without the other person sharing their location. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.